Okay, hello everybody. So today I'll be giving a brief overview on the history of the C++ programming language. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so the inventor of C++ is a man named Bjarne Stroustrup. He's Danish and he was born in Denmark in the year 1950. I'm just going to show you a quick picture of him right now. Here he is. Okay. So he started to develop the C++ language in 1979. It was actually originally called C with classes. So at the time, he was working in AT&T's Bell Laboratories. His goal for the C++ language was to base it off the C programming language, and he was going to add an object orientation aspect to C. So he added some characteristics of another object-oriented programming language known as Simula to C to create C++, with of course a few other languages there, but it was mostly based off of Simula and C. Now, in 1983, the programming language actually got a new name. It changed from C with classes to C++, which is what we know it as today. So here, this brings up a question. Why call it C++? Why not just call it D after the next letter in the alphabet after C? Well, C++ actually includes plus plus, which is an operator in this programming language, which is known as the incrementation operator. And of course, it increments an element by 1. So basically what he was essentially doing was incrementing the C programming language by adding one new feature, which is object orientation. Now, object orientation is a big topic, and it includes many smaller subtopics, one of which was classes, which is something C++ is famous for having. Now, let's talk a bit about the versions of C++ that have come out in the past years. So, in 1998, C++ 98 came out. In 2003, C++ 03 came out. In 2011, C++ 11 came out. And in 2014, C++ 14 came out. Now, the most recent version of the C++ programming language came out in 2017, and that was C++ 17. Now, interestingly, there are actually plans for another update on the language that should be coming out in 2020, so that should be exciting. Many new updates. Now, final note, so Bjarne Stroustrup actually wrote a book on the C++ programming language called the C++ Programming Language. So it first hit bookshelves in the year 1985, and I'm gonna just show you a quick image of the book. Okay, here's the book, and I'm sorry for the bad quality of the image. I just wanted to show you the actual appearance of the book. Actually, if you look in the top right corner, it's kind of blurry, I know, but it says C++ 11. Now, as I mentioned earlier, C++ 11 came out in 2011, and the first copy of the book actually came out in 1985. So obviously, the version of the book that you see here is not the original version, which came out in 1985. My thoughts on this book: it's a nice comprehensive read, but I have to say it can be a difficult, especially for people new to the C++ programming language. And there are many other good books that offer more a better ease into the language for beginners. Okay, so that is my video today. I hope you enjoyed, and I plan on uploading a tutorial soon on another sorting algorithm. And please like and subscribe to my channel if you can, and please share with your friends, and hope to see you in my next algorithm video. Bye. Thank you.